Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you how to format or fix your damaged USB or SD card. Before starting the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press bell icon for more informative videos. Let's start the video. First we have to connect damaged USB or SD card to PC. First we do step 1 format. Select USB, we have some data in it, let's format it. Okay, we done step 1 format. Let's go for step 2 format. Wait, let's send some data in USB first. I hope you like the video. For more informative videos, like, share, and subscribe. Now select USB drive and format. Here you can change drive name and file system of your USB drive. Okay, it's complete. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon for more informative videos.